Good evening to all. Today in this video, let us see about the lean principles and how it is related with the supply chain concepts. So generally, what is lean principle? What does it mean? Like in a simple context or in a simple word phrase, we can tell lean is reduction of waste or minimizing waste. So lean is about creating the most value for the customer by minimizing the wastes. So the term lean transformation is used to characterize the company or the industry moving from an old way of thinking to lean thinking, which means minimizing the wastes in the form of both the raw materials and finished products, even in the manpower also. A lean approach is about understanding what's really going on in the industry and improving the processes by which the products and services are created and how it is delivered to the customers. So lean is about doing more with less, but that means a lot. Doing more productive work with less effort and waste, not about doing more work with less resources. So resources will be the same and the output will also will be the same, but in between we have to manage the wastes, manage the lead time gap and so on. So it is closely related with Six Sigma because Six Sigma is a concept which truly makes the uh, cleanliness of in inside the industry. So Six Sigma is a shorthand for discipline that allows any business to design and improve its processes so that it can perform at their highest possible levels. So higher levels of performance means higher volume of production, fast turnaround times, and cost effective and efficient processes. These things helps to reduce the staff turnover and increase retention by eliminating one of the main causes of high turnover, cumbersome and complex procedures and routines. So lean plus Six Sigma is known as lean Six Sigma. So how these two are related with each other? So lean is doing the right things. Six Sigma is doing things right, which means lean is completely concentrating on elimination of waste, and Six Sigma is completely concentrating on reducing the variations. Like all the processes inside the industry should be uniform. So it lean improves the speed and reduces cost, and Six Sigma consistently maintains the quality, accuracy, and timeline. So striking the balance between lean and Six Sigma can be done through the voice of the customer, that is business imperatives. So project deployment, customer focused results. Lean is simply efficient and Six Sigma is always perfect. That is doing all the things in the right context. So some of the key terms and tools used in Lean Six Sigma is Kaizen, Gemba work, VOC, that is voice of the customer, 5S, 5 Ys, A3, PDSA, DMIC, and so on. So all these things are termed as quality concepts, which is very important in all the industries wherein the supply chain plays a major role. So Kaizen is means change for better. That is model of continuous improvement. Kaizen means continuous improvement. Gemba is the place where the value is created. Gemba work is working through the Gemba concept to perform the current state assessment. So 5 years is the 5S wherein the complete organization inside the industry take place. Sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. So 5 Ys are the root cause analysis. A3 is a structured problem solving and continuous improvement approach tool. And PDSA is a tool for process improvement to incrementally test and measure the changes. DMIC is a quality improvement methodology. See, this is Kaizen philosophy. Kaizen philosophy is a change for good. That is, the philosophy of Kaizen gives like developing a culture where all employees are actively engaged in improving the company. And the action plan is organizing the events focused on improving specific areas within the company. So this is Kaizen philosophy. This is Kaizen model and a strategy. See, Kaizen is always, as we discussed earlier, it is a continuous improvement process. It is a strategy where all the employees at all levels of the company work together proactively to achieve regular incremental improvements. It is about organizing the focused events in focused areas within the company on improving specific areas. So it has a strong emphasis on involving the frontline employees, and it works hands in hand with standardized work. So these are all the 8 steps of Gemba work: why, when, where, who, what, how, what, and why. So the three whys, like identifying the opportunities and observe and identifying the gap between the state and what it is currently occurring in the current state's progress, and so on. So this is lean 5S: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. So we all know sort is when in doubt, move it out. Set in order means a place for everything and return everything to its place. So everything should have a correct place to keep. Shine is clean up your work area. Standardize is set rules for use that the entire team supports and agrees to. And sustain is make 5 years a habit, sustainability, by integrating it into our daily work routines. So, lean methodology is the efficient use of staff, resources, and technology to provide the level of service and quality at the highest level by minimizing the waste. So, let's talk about the principles of lean methodology as it relates to improvement and the continuous improvement. So, identifying the areas of waste and acting to reduce or remove them through a systematic approach. So, the efficient use of all these things, staff, resources, technology, machines, everything, and to provide the highest level of service and quality to the customer, and to the ultimate customer, the patient. The process of patient is very important. These are all the 5 key concepts of Lean Six Sigma, that is pursuing perfection, value stream, identify and mapping the stream, flow, respond to the customer, which we call as pull view. So this is the value stream mapping sample. There are 3 types of primary wastes in healthcare, for example. So these are all some of the methods to identify, reduce, or remove waste, wherein the DMAIC principle or DMAIC concept is very important. So we have to set some smart goals to achieve these Lean Six Sigma concepts in industry: specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely goals. Thank you.